Oh yes.
Yeah.
Wow. I'd love to have some. So these are like corn, right?
Yes, and sunflowers.
Oh, sunflower. Nice. So, can I ask you a question? If you don't mind? Some of the girls, they look light skinned.
Yeah.
How?
Depending on family. You know, after the colonization, some people everybody maintain what they've been here in Africa. Some people also they get women. They get birds from them. That's why they are mixing color.
Oh, the
Yeah.
British are mixing.
British, yeah.
It's like British are like Maasai. Oh, so because of that color, it kind of remains.
Yes.
Not recent.
Not the recently, yes.
Not the recent
Because,
ones.
yes, the ladies get married with other Africans, they make mix.
So these falls are called Marangu Falls.
Yes.
Marangu.
Marangu is a village.
Okay.
The fall is called the Ndoro.
Doro.
Yes.
Like D-O-R-O.
Yes.
D-O-R-O. Ndoro Falls.
Yeah.
And what's the cave?
Check.
What's the cave? What's the cave?
Chagga cave.
Chagga cave.
Yeah.
So you're gonna meet like a new tribe like Maasai. It's called Chagga. And my friend Joseph here is from Chagga. Chagga tribe. So do you know anybody there?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Village people around the area.
Gotcha. What about Richard? Richard is also a tribe there?
It's a Chagga also. He is born here in Marangu.
Aha. So my guide Richard is also born in Marangu, which is where we are right now. He's also Chagga tribe, so I'm not sure how they look like, but we'll find out soon. So my friend Joseph is telling me about the right times to be in Serengeti Park for safari is June, July and August. There will be a lot of animals and a lot of hunting going on, so if you are planning for a safari trip, please do contact Joseph. I'm gonna leave his WhatsApp number as well on this video, so you can directly contact him and you can book a safari. And I'll also leave my friend Richard's contact as well. You can also go through him for a full package of Kilimanjaro and safari as well.